Yes. Yeah, nice. Yes. Yeah. Very nice. Pai City. Beautiful. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. Myanmar, same, huh? Myanmar also same. Green, huh? Oh. Thailand very green, but Myanmar also same green. Oh, very beautiful place. Oh, very, very nice. Oh, this garden, huh? Beautiful, beautiful. Kapun Cup. Oh, finish, huh? Yeah. Okay, Burma Airport. Yeah. Okay, Kapun Cup. This is Pai from Thailand. Very natural and beautiful village. I almost visit here because the Pai city is the very natural and cold, better than Bangkok. Bangkok is very hot, but here is no hot, and climate is very nice, 22-degree Celsius. And this is our bridge from river and went to somewhere. Here is the Alotap Resort and very beautiful. Kindly Alotap foreigner here coming visit because this city is the more popular in Thailand. Right. They have also mini bar, pub, disco club, and market, shopping mall, small size. Everything is available here. And Pai very natural, healthy village is very beautiful. And a lot of foreigner come to here stay this resort. This is Pai city, stay here. This city good for your health because is more flowers here. And have beautiful temple also here. Very nice city. Anywhere you go and nice people and very best culture here in Pai. And more cheap also resort, hotel, hostel is more cheap. And every day raining. This is the laundry. If you come here and you can see the fries and very cheap, you can self-service by yourself. You wash your clothes and this is the price. 9 kilo, 40 kilo, 14 kilo, 18 kilo. This is the price about Thai baht. 9 kilo, 14 baht. 14 kilo, 16 baht. And 18 kilo is 17 baht. 70 baht. Automatic machine, if you put your cloth here and you will go anywhere, then come to back after 30 minutes or 20 minutes, your cloth is ready, already wash, finish, and dry finish also. You can take your cloth and go to back. And this is the walking street. If you want something buy very cheap, street food around 30 baht, 25 baht, 60 baht. Anywhere you can choose everything you want buy. Is a tattoo available also here if you can put your body tattoo, and you can walk. A lot of foreigner here walking every night. Busy area. And this is the walking street from Pai city. Everything cheap in the street. If you buy food, I think you can buy also 50 baht, 25 baht. Even you have no money, so you can buy cheap food. Very easy to live here in Pai city. You can walk, you can choose everywhere what you want buy. Is very cheap. The a lot of foreigner come here, stand and looking the food, and very nice, beautiful. In the night time, almost busy this street. Walking straight in Pai. Very cheap food available here. French fries, cheese, rice, vegetable. Everything is 100 baht. With bread. Curry with bread is just 100 baht only. And curry with rice, plain rice, 100 baht. And French fries, cheese, everything is available here. And this man is walking from straight. He always see the left side down, because be careful if you walk from straight, and sometime you can see some maybe available snake near sleep in the road. So you can watch also. This man also watching in the down almost, you see. And right now I going to somewhere also. This is all Pai city, Pai village. Some area is beautiful, looking very nice and natural. And I take the motorbike rent, taxi, and going to somewhere. Thank you, Kamuka. Thailand, beautiful. And we were very nice if you take the motorbike and go into some parts of forest area like this same road. Very, very nice and very natural and healthy for your health. You can sit down here, and some rest area also have, and garden is very, very nice in Pai city. And right now I stop here. I looking for around this side. Very, very natural. Everywhere is cool. I not feeling in the hot. And this is the village of village people. Nice meet, and I visited here about few minutes. Anywhere you can see very green and beautiful. This is the banana tree, banana garden, and looking very beautiful. Very natural. Sky is cloudy and raining almost here in Pai City. This is the price of coffee, everything if you want buy. Swimming pool. Everywhere you can see swimming pool. If you stay in the hostel, just pay for the room, for the bed, and use your swimming pool. Here is free and very natural. That is a mountain area. Is Pai is almost in the mountain area, rounding. Very clean swimming pool. Very. You can sit here and enjoy your life in Pai City. Here is the downside is very cheap resort and hostel. If you take the one room is very cheap, also private room here. And sit down in the evening time and watch this tree and looking everywhere is very beautiful. Very clean swimming pool. Oh, very nice, beautiful. And sometimes it's party, full party. You can bring your family and do here is pool party. It is free if you stay here. Very nice. And this is the price of the private. This is the Pai Circus Hostel rooms price. Very nice village, Pai City. Beautiful. If you take the motorbike and you can go anywhere easy in the way. And here in the evening time is more natural. You can see the sky and trees very beautiful. Here I have also a lot of resort anywhere resort very cheap around 500 600 baht. Private room is very air conditioned with air condition, sorry, very nice. And you can bring your motorbike if you can park here also. Parking available, car parking available, and very cheap. And this is the bridge of river. You see is not allowed this one. If you sit down and maximum 8% load this the bridge. And motorbike, cycle not allowed this bridge. and resort very beautiful here. You can walk evening time this bridge and come to down again, sit anywhere in the coffee shop. This bridge is very nice. If you stand here and take picture and enjoy your life. Bamboo Bridge. When you come here and if you have motorbike, you can park in the downside and walk from this bridge to cross this water and go to another side. Easy. Almost the evening time, this river is very nice looking and natural, beautiful, and you can take picture from here, stand the bridge, take picture from this water and left and right. Very nice, beautiful. And that resort is around 800, 700, 500. If you take private room, is very beautiful near in the river. And right now, this is the bus stop, bus station, Phai City. I have to go back to Chiang Mai and heavy raining right now. Take care, everybody. Watch my video and take care. And please subscribe my channel. Happy nice day, everybody. Take care and goodbye.